Hi, and welcome back. We have another interesting company for you today in our series of evaluating small cap companies with potential huge growth in the near and long term futures for them. So today's company that we're looking at is Lantronix. So Lantronix, what catches our attention here on this one is they're putting themselves out there as an edge AI company. So really founded in 1989 and gone through a lot of machinations since then. Lantronix is repositioning itself with having state-of-the-art connectivity solutions for Internet of Things, video collaborations, and machine learning. So these are things that are all at the forefront of artificial intelligence. So in doing so, their products include interface cards, switches, gateway connectors. So lots of things to draw our attention to Lantronix. Really, the unique thing here is Edge AI. So Edge AI is really operating at the peripheral of artificial intelligence. And instead of bringing that into a cloud-type environment, processing it, and then providing a solution for it, Edge AI is doing it just as it says, right at the very edge via sensors and then short connectors to gateway-type devices such as the Qualcomm AI engine, and then providing instantaneous responses to get to the solution that's desired. So cutting edge, new and exciting. I guess the other thing that's really intriguing me about Lantronix is that they just made another acquisition that they are yet to close on, which will also be accretive to both the top line and bottom line. And if you look at their recent history, they've made a number of acquisitions that are broadening and deepening the company's technology in this space. So very exciting, very interesting, and with a total addressable market of approximately $8.5 billion, they're just scratching the surface as far as how far they can go. Talking about smart city connectivity, automotive connectivity, and then enterprise connectivity. So let's take a little bit closer look at some of the fundamentals and see if we're still as bullish on Lantronix. With a market cap of about $133 million, this is indeed another very small cap company. And a stock price of just $3 and approximately 45 cents with a range of $2.50 to about $7. You're right in the low to mid part of that range, so you're picking it up at a decent time. The year-to-date performance, despite all of this interesting activity, which has perked the stock up lately, it's down 42% year-to-date, and then over 5 years, it's up a mere 3%. So it's essentially gone nowhere and stayed flat for many years. But all that appears to be changing with revenue, and we're talking real revenue of about $160 million in its recent full year that they just disclosed back in September. And then a last quarter increase of about 4% in revenue. You're actually getting a company with some revenue. They have cash in the bank of about $26 million. Debt is about $25 million, so that's about a wash there. But the interesting thing that picks up my attention here is that the price to sales on this company, meaning the sales of about $160 million and the market cap of $130 million, is less than 1. That's always been a good number for small cap type companies to have fantastic explosive growth into the future. So with good cash, substantial revenues for a company this size, tacking on a number of small acquisitions to really grow and expand the product offerings. And then let's also consider that insiders own approximately 5% of Lantronix, which is a sizable amount. So they have a stake in the future here. And being that they focus on or have artificial intelligence embedded in their product offerings for this edge artificial intelligence, edge AI, that is something that is yet to bloom and really blossom out. This poses a very interesting future for the company, and at just a few dollars a share and a tiny market cap, if they have some success, this is going to see substantial upside moving forward. So to me, this is a great opportunity to get involved in a small company with a very bright future ahead of it. And if you think the same, go ahead and make some moves in that direction. I have already, and will continue to evaluate these interesting companies for great new technology ideas as they come forward. We'll talk with you soon.